Hello and welcome to this video. Today we are going to discuss a program that calculates an electricity bill based on the number of units consumed. The charges vary according to the slab of usage. For 1 to 100 unit, it charges 5 per unit. For 101 to 200 unit, it charges 10 rupee per unit. For 201 to 300 unit, it charges 15 rupee per unit. And above 300 unit, it charges 20 rupee per unit. The program takes the number of units consumed as input, determines the applicable charges for each slab, and computes the total bill accordingly. Let's go through the code now. First, we make a function named electricity bill that takes one parameter, units. The function encapsulates the logic to calculate the electricity bill based on the provided unit consumption. Next, we make a condition. If the total unit consumed are 100 or less than 100, then it calculates the bill by multiplying the units at 5 rupees. And if the unit consumed are more than 100 but less than or equal to 200, then the program calculates the cost of the first 100 unit at 5 rupee per unit, then calculate the cost of the remaining units above 100 at 10 rupee per unit, and then add these two costs to get the total bill. For consumption between 201 to 300 units, the program calculates the cost for the first 100 unit at 5 rupee per unit, then calculate the cost for the next 100 unit from 101 to 200 at 10 rupee per unit, then calculate the cost of the remaining units from 201 to 300 at 15 rupees per unit, and then add these three costs to compute the total bill. If the units consumed more than 300, then the program calculates the cost for the first 100 unit at 5 rupee per unit, then calculate the cost for the next 100 unit at 10 rupee per unit, then calculate the cost for the next 100 unit at 15 rupee per unit, then calculate the cost for the remaining units above 300 at 20 rupee per unit, and at last add all the four costs to get the total bill. Then return the calculated bill, and after that the user will enter the number of units consumed, and at last we call the electricity bill function with the user provided units as input, and finally we print the result of the electricity bill and it displays the unit consumed and the corresponding bill amount. Thank you.